Hey guys, and welcome back to another stock review video, and today I'm going to be going over Virgin Galactic. Now, if you've been around the channel for a while, you'll probably remember that back in July, I picked this to be one of my top stocks, and that was a great prediction. But there's been a couple new things that have happened ever since then, and I just wanted to go ahead and go over this stock again individually and give it a little bit more of an in-depth look. Now, I am actually recording this video on my birthday, so if you want to show your appreciation for my commitment, it would make my day if you went down to the comment section and just told me happy birthday or anything else that you want to say. Now, the basis of this stock is based on a pretty surreal idea of taking people to space, and not just astronauts. We're talking about normal people like me and you. Now, there's only a couple people in this industry, and the only other two real competitors for this would be SpaceX, which is obviously run by Elon Musk, and then Blue Origin, which is run by Jeff Bezos, who's the owner of Amazon. But the other two aren't publicly traded, so anyone that's trying to get into this space with the commercial space travel is going to have to buy this stock, which is a big thing for me. Now, this is a very innovative company, as you can see. They're constantly coming out with these behind the scenes looks into their planes, and some of these pictures are just things that you would see in a sci-fi movie. I mean, this just looks surreal to me, and I think that appeals to the people that are really looking for a company that's ahead of their time. Now, the owner of this company is Richard Branson, and now, as you may guess based on sort of the surreal idea of the company, he's a bit of a nutcase, but he does believe in the company himself because he will be flying to space very soon, 2021. Now, this is going to be an incredible catalyst when it comes up, but we'll be seeing smaller catalysts along the way because there are test flights every couple of months for this company. The nearest one coming up is October 22nd, and I think we'll start to see the price creep up as we approach that date. You can also see that there's some long-term catalysts involved in this stock, with the UBS predicting that the space tourism will become a $3 billion a year industry, and the space economy as a whole will grow from being worth $244 to $805 billion in just the next 10 years. Now, with that economy almost quadrupling, if the stock did the same, I'm sure we'd all be very happy stockholders. Now, as you may have seen at the beginning of the video, there is a chance for you to reserve your spot for one of these flights, and it takes a $1,000 deposit, which doesn't seem like a lot, but the actual price of the flight itself is $250,000. And as you can see, there was roughly 8,000 people who have shown interest so far, and if you do the math, that's around $2 billion of money that could be flowing into this company as soon as they can prove to their customer that it's safe to go up there. And like I said, they'll be flying their owner up to space in early 2021, so I could easily see them flying average citizens like you and me up to space by 2025. Now, you can see in terms of the price of the stock, it IPO'd and settled out around $10 before spiking up to around 33, and obviously the coronavirus concerns kind of dropped it down, and then right around the beginning of July, it began to spike up, and it hit its highs of around $25. Now, if you remember from the beginning of the video, I told you that I projected that this stock would jump up in July. So if you don't want to miss out for prediction videos for future months, make sure to go down below and subscribe so you don't miss it. But as July went, it climbed all the way up to a high of around $25. But it's come right back down to around 17, so I find this to be a great time to buy the dip, as there's a catalyst of the October 22nd flight, as well as the owner going to space in early 2021, as well as the long-term prospects of potential billions or trillions of dollars coming into this company. Analysts seem to agree with me. As you can see, there's a lot of green on this page, ranging from the low price estimate, which would be a 25% increase, to the high, which would be 60, and nothing but buys here in the analyst recommendations. In all, I think this is a stock that will really take off coming up and also has a really bright future for the long term. And this is a great time to get in on it. So if you have any other companies that you want us to do a review on, just go ahead and go to the comment section down below and let us know what you want us to take a look at. If you did enjoy this video, make sure that you leave a like on it and subscribe to show your support and make sure that we can keep producing this content for you. But other than that, I'll see you in the next one.